Hello guys and welcome to Simply Me. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can convert your laptop or PC into an Android tablet or phone. So basically with BlueStacks, you can install Android applications from Google Play. And for example, you want to install Among Us, which is free on Android, and it's not free on Steam for laptops and PCs. So, in order to download it, we just need to head over to BlueStacks. Just search BlueStacks. Okay, BlueStacks. Link BlueStacks www.bluestacks.com. And by the way, it is legal. So don't worry about getting, fined or something. Just click on download BlueStacks and just click on it. I've already downloaded BlueStacks, so click on next, and install it. It's gonna take an hour, I think, because when I downloaded it took an hour. So let's head back to my desktop, and here I will see FC Mobile and RC24. So let's click on BlueStacks after you install it. Let me show you the features. Click on BlueStacks, click start, and we'll start in a bit of time. So here we go. I will full screen it. One of the advantages on playing on BlueStacks is that you can control it with a touch screen if you have it on a laptop, or you can have a gaming console attached to it. And by the way, this is side effect. I'm going to tell you. The controls on laptop using the keyboards are super hard. You can't just play FC Mobile and Call of Duty or Free Fire on a keyboard. Okay, so in order to have that, you can connect with it with a console, or you could change the controls of the keyboard. So just head over to store and click on store. It will open up in a while. Yeah. And search the game you want. Now, remember you have to sign in with the Google Play, okay? And it's gonna take a lot of time to set it up, but it's worth it. Okay, I will just search for a simple game like Subway Surfers. Okay, click on it and click on install from Google Play. It will take you to Google Play, and then wait a second, click on install. Okay, like this, all of your games will be installed over here, and there will be a application. Okay, by the way, you can also install other things and games. Like if there's some application, like I use Yiri for my robot vacuum cleaner, you can install that on it. So I recommend BlueStacks, and if you are a gamer or just want an Android and your parents don't let them buy, you just simply can install BlueStacks. So bye for now, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.